association eyo in a challenge at the moment. Of course, salutations to my brother Mr. Idi Kenzo, but association in a challenge abantu abagikulembera nabo barayizinze mu racks za music. So these are colleagues. Secondly, association taina disciplinary measures against fellow artists. So never chogera. I've had the Muyimbi, I think Finas talk about it, Mugera talk about it, and a few other senior artists, I think Bebe Cool and a few others, but they have no punitive powers. Yok punishing these artists about errant. Ate Shibadenyo tufunyemu challenge nti amateka edda ojukira mu 2014 twaline Anti-Pornography Act simaji ojukira. The first musician yali prosecuted yayimbawo enyimba, I think a solo young yali some lady called the Panado Abasajja. She was, I think, Jemima Kansime or something like that. Father Lokodo nakubakirira wo ne bamukwata ne bamutwala mbuga za court. In fact, bamucharging ne producer Didi. Kati decision yo yali tena kusalibwa. Ba civil society organizations abamu ne baloya bagena mu constitutional court. Ne ba challenging provisions za Anti-Pornography Act. Kakati the most unfortunate thing in the constitutional court where I call a ruling ya nullifying provisions enkulu ezamateka ya Anti-Pornography Act. Nechirendering ba almost valueless. Norecho twinayo virtue mu mateka agandi badenga regulating content ezimu ezifanagana weziti. Father Lokolo by the way nzendoza ngojeko honorable the women activist Matembe. I think Father Lokolo was one of those very active ethics ministers. In fact, I'm a lawyer. I read a lot of information. Kakati Wombuza, who is the ethics minister, you might see na kumanya. So I think that ministry nadala ku issue ya public morality badenga ko silent kuva Father Lokolo we again. He was a little bit more proactive. Ngavayo nyo kusonga west kusinga sawas no dabanga UCC bade erwanye entalo za public morality nadala ku content creation abayimbi ba videographers ba poets we bitone ministry bade sirisemu ko kunyo but the other institutions abali bakola mulimo ogera okustopinga instance weziti obo ku regulating ku discouraging omani government we bange regulating conduct gaba either incentive or disincentive. Government wabanga eri mukuleta eyagala prohibiting import of certain goods eyongeza musolo wagulu abantu bakiduka. Kakati government mungeri jejimu ku nsonga ya pisa oba yagala ku discouraging conduct oba content eri against public morality oba menya amateeka enokutekawo penalties engomu choka ojja kulabanga abantu bakozesi bakiva mu mpola. Kati bali abagamba fe wetu kuwa wali abagamba kati content we batyo oba music we batyo yekola ki yekola na oludeko lili puzzle ne mpira ko nani awo ne wimbo mulala awo bagamba fe kati twali tuyimbe biri mu sense ne bikola kiki abantu babiwuliriza kati ndende tusandise kuyimbe bitali mu sense biwemula ebitobole ekitibwa ky'abakyala abaana biki abantu bakiyagade siwe ekiri omanyi tugenda ne tulaba nti onaku zino ensi abantu babera nnyo ku masimu wano mu town tuloza nti ensi yonna eyagala kiki eyagala buwobe si weekiri bana Uganda abasinga abali eyo mu byalo tebalina n'amasimu waliyo information weziti ekiba offending ng'abantu abo tebandyagala kukiwulira ate abagwa emikiti wekito be bangi so tuleme gamba nti kubanga wali abantu batonotono abalina amasimu gano bali ku TikTok babinyume ne tuloza nti ensi ekoma Uganda is very very big and is beyond abantu abatono abaloza nti content we batuyagala.